Hello and welcome to this video. Today this video is just a quick one. It's a response to some questions people have asked about what cases I was using my P30 Pro videos for the screen protectors. And as you can see, I've got a Spigen one and I've got a Ringke one. The Ringke one's the Fusion. It's a completely clear case. It's quite a sturdy one. These are basically my two go-to cases that I normally get. The first two normally, so I'll unwrap this one quickly so you can have a look. Now I've already taken the protective film stickers off. Got all the little leaflets in here with it. Nice thank you card. As you can see, it's a completely clear case. It's solid on the back. It's really stiff and tough. It's going to be really tough and protect your phone nicely. So, and not only that, because it's clear, it will show off the beautiful colour of the phone as well. So I'll whack that on. Let's get my cloth to give it a bit of a clean. Now I have been using this, which is why it's got a few scratches on it. As well as being a clear case, if it shows off the phone, it's really protective as well. I like this one, so let's take the phone out of that. Oh, before I do take it out, as you can see, all the cutouts are pretty much spot on. And yeah, it shows the overall effect of the phone. So let's pop that one over here. So next one is we've got this Spigen Rugged Armour. This is one of my favourite cases, the one I use for work normally. So they're absolutely durable, last forever. I recommend these cases. Brilliant. It's completely, it's all black. You've got like a ridged effect up the top here. It's got sort of sparkly-ish effect in certain lights as well. It's actually a really good looking case. You've got the little slots for the buttons there, so they're nice and easy to press. It's a full covering, as you can see. It works really well. So good cutouts all round. So yeah, brilliant case. Highly recommend that one. So that's the Spigen Rugged Armour and the Ringke Fusion. Both, my opinion, brilliant cases. A couple of my favourites. So like I say, I always get these ones. Recommend them both. So that's the end of this video. Like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. I've got a few more videos coming up as well. So if you're in the market for a screen protector, I've got a couple of videos for those up as well for this phone. So that's it for now. All the very best. Goodbye.